Very quick one, we're going to be providing answers and unlocking the mystery quest. That's for 50,000 pulse. Then the go gamble, that's the 25,000. Then for this, if this is not yet activated on yours, all you need to do is to complete all the partners tasks here. So if you complete all the partners tasks, this will be activated for you. Now we're going to be unlocking this and this and this. So after the voting section, this and this will be unlocked. So for us to unlock it, we go to the voting section. So what happens here, the 50,000 polls, so you have to vote for the winner. You have to vote at least 500 stars. So we're going to, okay, let me put for Duction. So you have to vote 500 stars. So you have to vote at least 500 stars. So let's do the voting. So done. So let's check. You can see it's activated. So that's how to activate. That's what I'm going to claim. Then the second one, vote for one project twice. So let's go. So I voted for this. So let me vote again. So all you need to do is just to wait for some time to be activated. So based on the information I had, after voting for two and one project twice, you have to wait for some time before the vote pick up your voting. So that's just a simple way on how to get it done. Get that? So do it to like, subscribe to the channel, and more importantly, make sure you like our video. So check the link in the description of this video to join our Telegram channel. A lot of things are actually happening in a Telegram channel. See you next time for more exciting updates.